Samsung is rewriting the rules of foldable tech in 2025. From advanced cameras to groundbreaking processors, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are about to change everything you thought you knew about smartphones. But are these upgrades worth the hype? Let's dive in. Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest tech updates. Today, we're talking about Samsung's much-anticipated foldable lineup, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. With leaks flooding the internet, let's break down what makes these devices stand out. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to feature the same triple-camera setup as its predecessor, including a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP selfie shooter. While there's no hardware upgrade, Samsung promises significant AI-powered camera improvements for sharper and more dynamic photos. Under the hood, the Z Flip 7 is rumored to debut the all-new Exynos 2500 chipset, featuring a 10-core cluster and advanced AMD Xclipse GPU. This processor promises unparalleled performance. Pair that with a larger 6.85-inch foldable display and a 4-inch cover screen, and you've got a device that blends style with functionality. And here's the exciting part. Samsung might also launch an affordable, FE model, and even a tri-fold device. These models could bring foldable tech to more users worldwide. So, what are your thoughts on Samsung's latest innovations? Are you Team Z Flip 7 or waiting for the FE? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge updates. Stay tuned to TechVerse.